Your PC case fans are either keeping your expensive components cool and quiet, or they are screaming like a jet engine while your GPU is thermal throttling. I have tested the top case fans of 2026 across noise levels, airflow performance, and aesthetics to find out which ones actually move air efficiently without driving you insane. Let's get into it. Noctua has done it again. The NFA 12x25 G2 takes everything that made the original legendary and somehow makes it better. This fan is the undisputed king of the balance between airflow, static pressure, and noise. You get the signature Noctua build quality with the new Stereox liquid crystal polymer material that minimizes vibration and resonance. The blade design has been refined to push more air at lower RPMs, meaning you get superior cooling performance without the noise. It comes in the classic brown, but Noctua has finally expanded the color options to include black and even white. The included anti-vibration pads and extensive accessory kit make installation easy in any build. Whether you are cooling a radiator or pulling air through dust filters, this fan excels at everything. It is not cheap, but you are buying the best. Check the link in the description below. If you want flagship performance without paying flagship prices, the Arctic P12 Pro is the value king. Arctic has taken their already popular P12 series and refined it into something that competes with fans twice the price. The Pro version features improved motor technology that eliminates the humming noise that plagued earlier models at certain ROPM ranges. You get excellent static pressure, making these ideal for radiator and heatsink applications, while still moving plenty of air for case airflow. The daisy-chainable design means you can connect multiple fans together without a mess of cables. The build quality is solid, and the price per fan is almost unbeatable. For builders who want to fill a case with reliable, high-performance fans without spending a fortune, this is the smart play. I have linked the Arctic P12 Pro down in the description. Fantex has delivered something truly special with their latest fan lineup. These fans strike the perfect balance between high-performance cooling and stunning aesthetics. The blade design focuses on high airflow with minimal turbulence, resulting in quiet operation even under load. What sets these apart is the integrated RGB lighting. It is subtle, customizable, and diffused beautifully across the fan frame. The daisy chain RGB connections simplify cable management significantly. The build quality feels premium, with a robust frame that reduces vibration and solid mounting points. They perform exceptionally well on both radiators and as standard case fans, giving you versatility across your build. For anyone building a showpiece PC that actually performs, these are a fantastic choice. Grab yours through the link in the description below. Sometimes you need maximum airflow with minimal noise, and the Arctic P14 Pro delivers exactly that. This 140mm fan moves a massive amount of air while staying whisper quiet, thanks to its optimized blade geometry and advanced motor control. The larger size means you can achieve better cooling at lower RPMs compared to 120mm fans, which translates to a quieter overall system. Like its smaller sibling, the P14 Pro features daisy chaining for simplified cable management and improved motor technology that eliminates unwanted noise spikes. These are perfect for front intake or top exhaust positions where 140mm mounting is supported. The performance to price ratio is exceptional, making them a go-to for builders who want high-end cooling on a reasonable budget. If you have the space in your case for 140mm fans, these are a top contender. I have linked the Arctic P14 Pro down in the description for you. If RGB is your priority but you refuse to compromise on performance, the Dark Flash INF34 deserves your attention. These fans feature a unique infinity mirror design in the center hub that creates a stunning depth effect that looks incredible in any build. The RGB lighting is fully addressable and compatible with the most motherboard software for seamless integration. But looks are not everything. These fans actually perform. The blade design focuses on solid airflow with reasonable noise levels, making them suitable for both intake and exhaust positions. The frame includes anti-vibration pads to minimize noise transfer to your case. They come in multiple color options to match your build theme. For builders who want their PC to be a centerpiece, these offer the visual impact without sacrificing cooling performance. Check the link in the description below. That wraps up the top PC case fans for 2026. Whether you want absolute silence, maximum performance, or show-stopping RGB, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you plan your next build, hit that subscribe button for more PC hardware breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.